how to get your memories back on Snapchat. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can get your memories back on your Snapchat. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, if you accidentally deleted your Snapchat memories, there are several ways to recover them. So check your recently deleted folder. Snapchat has recently deleted folder that stores deleted snaps up for the 30 days. To access this folder, you have to go to your profile and then you have to tap right here on the gear icon. And after that, you will have to search for the memories. You can see memories option. So if you have recently deleted your snaps, you will find the option there, recently deleted option there. So this is how you can easily restore your deleted snaps back on your Snapchat. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.